Friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Chisom Otazi. If you're seeing me for the first time, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. If I had 15 minutes to do my makeup before work or school, here is what I would do. First of all, I would do my brow. I would use a spoolie to brush it to the direction I want. I already shaved my brows, not so much because I don't really enjoy shaving off my brow hair so much because I have little. So I'm going to brush it up the direction I want. Then my pencil, make sure your pencil is very sharpened. If it gets a little bit blunt, you have to resharpen it. Then, because my brows are already shaped, I will just follow the natural shape of my eyebrow. Nothing so dramatic because I do not have time. Probably I'm going to school or work. I want to keep it very simple just to enhance my face features. Use the body of my brow pencil, light shading. Done with these brows, I would repeat the same thing I did here on these brows too. Because I'm going to work or I'm going to school, I would do my skincare, but I've already done my skincare off the camera. So the next step would be primer. The importance of primer is your primer acts as a base for your makeup to stay. It's just like building a house. When you're building a house, it starts with your foundation. So your primer is the foundation of your foundation. Yes, the foundation of your foundation. So I would go in with my primer. I will use Pond's primer because I'm going to have a busy day and I have oily skin. Yes, I still use Pond's. Don't judge me. It just works for me. It gets the job done. So I really have no reason to switch. I'm just going to massage it all over my face. Please remember, before you go into your primer stage, do your skincare. Because you'll be out all day, apply your SPF. It's very important because makeup cannot protect your skin from sun damage. Because I'm using Pond's, I will make sure that I massage thoroughly so the white cast will disappear. We do not want any white cast on our face from the primer. Next stage will be foundation. I'll be using the V Beauty liquid matte foundation in the shade Milkshake. I'm just going to be using very little, and I'm using this powder puff. This powder puff gets the job done. If you want to have foundation on face and look like you have no foundation on your face, then this powder puff is that girl for you. My next step, because I want my blending to be easy and seamless, I'm going to use my Kiss Beauty makeup T3 fix. Because I'm going to be out all day, I need my foundation to blend into my skin. I don't want it to sit on my skin. I need it to blend into my skin seamlessly. Because I'm trying to save time, I'm not going to be using concealer. So I would make sure that I cover my dark under eye with my foundation. Blend until you get your desired results. I would extend it under my neck because I have double chin and my double chin is still part of my face. Now I'm done applying my foundation. Because I do not want my foundation to be improperly blended, I'm going to use my powder buffing brush to dab in. I am dabbing in. I am not swiping. Your skin work is very important when you're doing a quick wash makeup, just to cover every discoloration on your skin, every hyperpigmentation, and also to help your acne look just much better. Because we will not go, but we also want it to look like we did so much. That's the goal. To set it all in, I'll be using my setting spray to go all over my face. After that, I'll go in with my puffing brush just to blend. Never get tired of blending. For contour, I'll be using these two products, the Zavon palette and this random palette that I would put the name in my description box. I'll be using them for my contour. Because our goal is to make sure that the face, your natural face sculpture, is well defined. Because time is not on our side, I would use this brush I used for contouring my face to contour my nose. Now that I'm done with my contour, I would go in with my brush, just very little, because that whole so much blush thing is just for the gram and for social media. It really doesn't look nice unless you like it, but me, I do not like it. It makes my face look so weird in real life. Now I'll do is take this black pencil and line my waterline and my inner line. Now, as I'm done with that, the next step would be to use this blending brush, and I'm using this palette again. I will use this shade for my eyeshadow. Just blend all around. I'll go in with my highlighter to open up my eye just a little bit. And that's it for the eyes. Then my mascara. Smaller one under my eye. Little brush and the powder, a very light shade powder, to clean my arc. Next, I would go in with my powder all over my face. Then I would line my lips. For the under lip, I'm just going to follow my lip line. Then for the upper lips, I would overline a little bit. I have no time and we are going to school, probably going to work. I'm going to be using nude colors. I'm going in with my second lip shade. Then I'll smack my lips together. This is what we have at the end. The lip gloss, just because I want some extra shine on my lips. Smack. I'll go in with my setting spray. Just to set in everything. Because I'll be out all day, I'll go in with my fixing spray. Please note the difference between a setting spray and a fixing spray. A setting spray is to set your makeup, to break down all those powdery effects and make it look natural and less powdery. But a fix spray is going to make your makeup last all day long. It's like a glue. It sticks, it makes the makeup stick to your skin and stays to your oil. Even if you sweat or have like very hideous activities, your makeup is going to stay until you take it off. If you're not able to differentiate between the fixing spray and the setting spray, when you spray a setting spray, it feels like mist, it feels like water on the skin. But for a fixing spray, when you spray it on your skin, it's very, very sticky. It feels like you've put gum on your face. That's the difference. So you can differentiate by the texture and how it feels on the skin. I would let this to dry, then do my hair and wear my jewelries, and I'm ready to go. And that is it for my makeup. If you liked this video and if you found these tips helpful, please let me know down in the comment section. And if you want me to try other looks, also let me know in the comment section and I will always be at your service. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't now. go ahead, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.